अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू ऐश कॉन्सेप्ट जनरल नॉलेज सीरीज़ की छठी वीडियो में खुश आमदीद। उम्मीद करते हैं कि यह सीरीज़ आपके लिए हेल्पफुल साबित हो रही होगी। तो नए आने वाले व्यूवर्स चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। लेट्स स्टार्ट द जर्नी। नूरजहां's tomb is located in correct answer A लाहौर, जो कि शादरा में वाक़ है। पार्लियामेंट ऑफ कतर इज नोन एज करेक्ट आंसर बी एडवाइजरी काउंसिल। डेथ ऑफ टीपू सुल्तान वाज इन करेक्ट आंसर बी 1799। The origin of the idea of Pakistan is associated with the name of correct answer C Allama Iqbal। Enzymes are made of correct answer A proteins। Nanga Parbat nickname is correct answer B Killer Mountain। What is the motto of Red Cross? Correct answer B charity in war। Mount Everest is present in the range of mountains। Correct answer C Himalaya। Rio de Janeiro is the seaport of correct answer D Brazil। The smallest country of Africa is correct answer D Gambia। 1 ounce is equal to how many grams? Correct answer D 28.35। Only object of earth can be seen from moon. What is it? Correct answer D Great Wall of China, जिसे दीवार चीन भी कहते हैं। The currency of Brazil is correct answer D Cruzeiro। The first atom bomb was dropped on Hiroshima on correct answer B August 6, 1940। इस एटम बम का नाम था लिटिल बॉय। Which is the longest river of North America? Correct answer B Mississippi। Which is the smallest continent of the world area wise? Correct answer D Australia। Dragon is the national symbol of correct answer C China। The highest waterfall of the world is correct answer B Angel। Who was the Muslim scientist to use zero for the first time? Correct answer A Al-Khwarizmi। The first president of the All India Muslim League was correct answer C Sir Agha Khan। Thyroid gland is located in the human body। Correct answer D neck। What is acoustics? Correct answer B science of sound। In which city is the headquarters of Interpol located? Correct answer A Paris। Who was known as the Tiger of Mysore? Correct answer A Tipu Sultan। Pakistan withdrew from SEATO in correct answer B 1973। SEATO means Southeast Asia Treaty Organization। Kissa Sohni Maiwal was written by correct answer D Hashim Shah। Who introduced the system of basic democracy in Pakistan? Correct answer C Ayub Khan। When for the first time in the world was human heart transplant conducted? Correct answer B 1967। Firdausi was correct answer C a Persian poet। Which of the following continents is the smallest in terms of land mass? Correct answer D. Australia. Sri Lanka was formerly known as. Correct answer A. Ceylon. Name the capital of Kazakhstan. Correct answer D. Astana. Sound cannot travel through. Correct answer B. Vacuum. X-rays were discovered by. Correct answer B. Roentgen. Breeding and management of bees is known as. Correct answer A. Apiculture. Hepatitis causes inflammation of. Correct answer C. Liver. Isotopes are atoms of the same element with a different number of. Correct answer B. Protons. Which one of the following is a vector quantity? Correct answer A. Velocity. Dolly was the name of the. Correct answer B. First clone sheep. Greenhouse effect is mainly caused by excess of in the atmosphere. Correct answer B. Carbon dioxide. Which hormone is responsible for production of milk in human body? Correct answer C. Prolactin. A drop of water is roughly spherical because of. Correct answer B. Surface tension. M4 motorway will link. Correct answer D. Faisalabad, Multan. Aristotle was of Plato. Correct answer D. Student. Who was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan? Correct answer C. Liaquat Ali Khan. Who was the first President of Pakistan? Correct answer A. Iskandar Mirza. President Ayub Khan wrote a book called. Correct answer C. Friends Not Masters. The state means. Correct answer A. Federal government. Most of the electricity in Pakistan is produced by. Correct answer C. Thermal power. Gwadar Port is in the province of. Correct answer A. Balochistan. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.